Hi, this is Adam from Small Town Machine Shop. Today we are going to get the hypromac lathe back up and running. So, I did some investigation. Here's the two mag starters. If you didn't know, you can take these apart with two bolts and clean the contacts. They're pretty deeply, especially right there, very deeply pitted, with corresponding deep pits on that side. And likewise on this side. That one's really bad. So as you saw the last machining video I did, these started acting up and then it stopped resetting. I don't know, the paperwork on here I thought was original or whatever. These starters weren't rated for anywhere near what I was putting them through. The heater bars are B19.5s, which, where's that? Had the chart. So basically, the end result is I was running almost twice as much amps through these as they were rated for. So it gives them a very short service life. So I took the box off the machine. The first thing I always do when I have a machine that has a running issue, I checked incoming power and I checked the motor. Both those checked out, so I knew the problem was in between. I was pretty sure this was the problem anyway. So I've got this. Sorry. This is the mag starter. That went with the big hypromac, but he put a VFD, or the big reed, but he ended up putting a VFD on it. And you can see it's rated for well within what we'll be using it for, because we're doing it 3-phase. So be at 220, so 15 horse. So plenty. There's our wiring diagram, very easy to follow. So we're going to put this guy on it. And it happens to fit nicely in that box. So yeah, not a project I wanted to do, but a necessary one. So let me set up the camera. There's not going to be too much to see, really. I'm going to put this, I'm going to get it all mounted in there. Now I'll go through the wiring with you. If you guys aren't, some of you may not be familiar with how to wire these mag starters to a start-stop switch. So let me do that and I'll bring you back. Okay, just to give you an update, because it's like 108 in the shop right now. I got my big fan going, so I turned it off while I'm filming. We got it mounted in there. It's mounted to the back panel. Going through right now, using the old chassis punch. Punch out the outlet for what's going to go to the motor. I need to punch out or enlarge one of those coming in for the incoming power. And then the other one will stay the same size, and that'll be for where this comes in. So basically, power is going to be going out the bottom, in the top, and we'll bring in our 3 wires. You see, there's your switch. I'm actually going to take 4 wires out because I like to ground the switch. Just, you know, I like to do it. So bring 1 wire in to C1, which is that first one right there. Take the other wire to C2, which is the one right below it. And the other one's going to go to C3, this terminal right there. So what's going to happen is, the basic is, it takes power off the incoming, you press the switch, kicks the contact. There's a set of contacts in here that when this engages through the coil, you know, pushes up, power transfers through, and then it's feeding this, and then the stop side is between that and there. So yeah, it's coming along. But man, is it hot out. And man, do I really not want to do this. I didn't feel like doing this today, but that's how it goes. So barring missing any pieces that will require a trip to Home Depot, Hopefully we'll get this on there today. I don't know. I'll bring you back. Okay, I forgot where I left off. I got my control wires in for the switch there. And that's as far as I'm going to get today. All I have to do is bolt this to the lathe and run the incoming and outgoing power. So it'll be real quick. But I'll do that tomorrow. Or probably Monday. I don't have to have that roller done until Tuesday. So yeah. It's just too hot in here. It's 109. And it's starting to cool off. So I'm going to go throw about 2 pounds of steak on the barbecue. And I'm going to call it a day. So yeah, made good progress. This is just part of, having a shop. I know a lot of YouTube channels don't show these little, downtime stuff they have. But if you're going to run a shop, especially with used equipment, you're going to have stuff like this. So I try to give you a real example of shop life as possible. So, stuff like this happens. So, okay. This is Adam from Small Town Machine Shop. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.